You don't mind.
What? Chocolate cake. I ate some this morning.
Have you looked at your face lately?
People say it's been clearing up, Mom.
Well, if you keep putting chocolate cake on there.
Oh, chocolate chase, huh?
Okay. You need to make a
body scan.
Oh.
Woo, look at that.
This is a good time to make a
One of my friends thinks you're hot.
Oh.
He's all like, I would touch her. You're a MILF, Mom.
That is embarrassing.
You're a MILF.
Excuse me.
You're a MILF. That is embarrassing.
Don't tell me that's Justin again. What happened to Justin and Nicole?
They always break up. Everyone knows that.
He doesn't come to church with her no more. Huh?
Mom, he lives in Corona. Give him a break.
He's always out this way in the weekends.
Oh, he ain't this time. Where's Caleb? Baby brother. What up, baby?
Hey, Tia, by the way, Raymond and I said the rule was to not, you can't be recording things like this, because erase that.
What? There's nothing bad on here.
Yeah, but I don't want to erase the film.
You can delete it.
That was the agreement. Nothing embarrassing.
It's not embarrassing, right?
I don't want that on there.
What's bad on here, Mom?
You're not allowed to use it for those reasons. I told you that. You're gonna do it. It's gonna
blah blah.
Really disrespectful. That's exactly what you're doing right now.
Mom.
I don't want that on there, Phil.
My butt hurts.
Hey, Raymond, see? Tail's already doing it. Remember we had this discussion.
Say my name right, Mom, please. It's not Tail.
Being rude.
Tail.
She's not supposed to be recording and she's doing it again.
No one told me the rules.
There's proof right there.
I'm deleting this, Mother.
So as of now, you're not allowed to touch anymore because of you always want to use this for embarrassing moments.
I always want to record to see. Everyone says my mommy's funny, and the people who haven't met you are all like, no.
So you want that for them to see that, right?
You are like this.
But I don't want them seeing this. You know, it's funny.
It is funny. You're funny.
You're
Mom.
not allowed to let that footage is not allowed to get on the top. You're not well. You're sick.
You make me laugh.
Come on. Move on. Scat. Scram.
Scat? You think you can just scat me, Mother?
Yes. Because you're not listening.
Fine, Mom. Don't come coming to me. I don't need you. I don't need you at all. I don't need you and your little games.
Sure.
I don't need you. I want some bacon.
Oh, now you want to be nice to me now, huh?
I'm always nice to you. I was like, who was it? I said, let's watch I Am Legend. That was me.
Oh, please. And then you left me.
Because it was the scary part.
It's gone.
Don't yell.
I'm not yelling.
It's gone. How many bacons are you making?
Enough for me only.
You can't eat that. You little chubster. 1, 2, 3, 6. It's gone.
Yeah, you're wasting. Seriously.
Okay, Mom, fine. I'm ending the freaking tape.
No, you're going to delete it. You're not editing it. You're deleting it.
I'm deleting you. I don't need you in your games. I don't need you. I'm leaving.